Where is she? Hi, Emma. Come here. How are you? Come here. Hi. Come here. Come here, little girlie. Come here. Come here. Emma. Come here. Come here. Come here, girlie. Oh. Let's see what she's gonna do. We didn't get this far before. Come here. Come here. Come here, little girl. Come here. I come see ya. Come here. You remember me? You remember me? Hi, little girl. Let's just act like we're going to the refrigerator. Let's open the refrigerator. There you go. Don't know. Oh, hi. Just gonna come sit down over here. Look at all those bones. Look at all your antlers. Hey, Bella. Hey, Emma. Did you get some biscuit, Emma? Would you like some biscuit? Huh? Let's see. Bella, you stay here. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm gone. She's up. I'm out of here. Hey, come here. Look what I got for you. Look what I got. Bella, stay. Stay. Here, Emma. Here. Emma. Bella, stay. You sit. Emma. Okay. Yeah, I'm here, Mom. I'm here. Sure. I'll take the biscuit since she doesn't want it.